last day. On December 22nd, we moved into the winter season, the water element. And in the water element, we deal with the kidney and the bladder meridian. So traditionally, when we go into the winter solstice and we move into now longer days as we go closer in towards spring, we kind of honor the sun. So we use the traditional sun salutation on that winter solstice. So we did it here in the studio, but we just did the half version. So what I'd like you to do, if you can, just find pebbles like the ones here and divide them. You'll need 21, you'll need 12, and you'll need 9. So you're going to come to the top of your mat. So you'll see that I divided the stones. I have 12 on one side and I have 9 on the other. So 12 will be the repetitions and the other 9 will be to count every 12th one. So when you combine the two, it becomes 108. So it's easier than trying to 1, remember, or 2, write it down. It's a little bit cumbersome to have a pen and paper. So it's a good way for you, for your own practice, or if you're leading a class. The water element deals with 2 meridians, the kidney meridian and the bladder meridian. So our kidney, that's our yin, that's our solid organ. It's going to begin at the bottom of the foot, in between the 2nd and 3rd toe, right there at like the ball of the foot. It's going to move from that place through the inner leg, and it's going to end right here. Remember that it runs bilaterally, left and right of the body, so just underneath the collarbone. Now your bladder meridian begins on the inner eye. It's a long meridian, and it's going to go up and over the head, down the back, kind of like the inside of the spine, down alongside the sacrum, down behind the legs. It's going to go into the outer leg, right here, the outer ankle. It's going to end right at the pinky toes. So in your half sun salutation, you're going to flex and you're going to stretch both the kidney and the bladder meridian. So we'll begin by bending into the knees, inhaling, taking the arms up. Fingers wide as you stretch and flex. The upper back touching the floor. Press down to lengthen. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, folding deep right at the hips. Bend the knees, press the feet, and sweep the arms up and over the head. Inhale. Hands to your heart. Exhale. So whether it's for your own practice or if you're leading a class, perhaps come up with an intention. If it's before the season or at the beginning of the year or just in the beginning of a class, just setting that intention and let each pose, let every breath just be a reminder of that intention. And it's all going to come again back to your heart at the very end. Now this is where we'll use our stone. So you'll begin again. Inhale, taking the arms up, reaching up, folding forward from the hips. Exhale, touch the floor. Press down into the earth, lengthen halfway, stretching the backs of the legs. Exhale, fold. Now taking one of the block or stones and put it off to the side. Coming back up, inhale, and then exhale. So you'll repeat that 11 more times, and then you'll put another rock to the side, going through one series and one repetition.